How to change audio settings in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Fairlight tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the audio magic happens. You will see your audio tracks and tools specifically for editing sound. Next, if you want to adjust the volume or pan of a specific clip, just click on the clip in the timeline and look at the inspector panel on the right. Here, you can control volume, pan, pitch, and even apply basic equalizer settings. Now, to change global audio settings, go to DaVinci Resolve menu and select Preferences. Then click on the Video and Audio In or Out tab. Under this section, you can select the input and output audio devices like your speakers or external microphone. Make sure the correct hardware is selected for playback and recording. If you want more control, go to the Fairlight, then select Boss Format section. This is useful if you are working with stereo, 5.1 surround, or custom audio setups. You can choose how many audio channels your project should support. Finally, if you are planning to export your project, go to the Deliver tab and under the audio settings of your export preset, make sure you have selected the right format, codec, and bit depth for your audio file. This ensures your final output sounds exactly how you intended. And that's it. Now you know how to change audio settings in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.